Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. Today we're going to be making a pizza sauce that you can also use for dipping and for spaghetti. Let's get started. In a 5-quart pot, add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Have the temperature set to medium-high. Once the oil is warm, add 3 cups of tomato puree. And let's go ahead and give this a stir. Once the tomato puree starts bubbling, reduce the heat to low. Let's add our seasonings. 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a tablespoon of black pepper, a half a tablespoon of garlic powder, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of Italian herb blend, and 10 leaves of basil sliced very thin. Alright, we're going to give the pot a stir. Get those ingredients mixed in. We're going to leave the temperature on low, place a lid on the pot, and just let it set for 15 minutes and then it will be ready to use. And now we have a lovely sauce that's ready to be used on your pizza, your pasta, or just for dipping. I hope you all really enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.